Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something powerful for you, a 100% accurate pre-market strategy for Nifty, without using any indicators or complex charts. Yes, you heard it right. No RSI, no MACD, no trend lines, just pure price action and open interest analysis. And the best part, this method works for all traders, whether you are a beginner or an expert. So, stay with me till the end, because I'm going to break this down in the simplest way possible. Most traders rely on multiple indicators, but here's the truth, indicators lag behind price action. That's why I focus on pre-market price levels that are calculated before the market opens. These levels give you a clear roadmap for the day, where to buy, where to sell, and where to stay cautious. This method is based on strong resistance levels, where the price might reverse. Strong support levels, where the price might bounce. Buy above and sell below strategy, the simplest and most effective rule in trading. So, instead of guessing market direction, you'll have a crystal clear strategy before the market even opens. Let's break down the key levels you see on this chart. Very strong resistance, purple line, if the price reaches this level, expect a strong rejection or a breakout rally. Intraday resistance, red lines, these levels act as short-term barriers for price movement. Open interest resident levels, these are the zones where big players like FIIs and institutions place their positions. Price action around these levels is critical. Buy above level, green line, if Nifty crosses this level with good momentum, it's a strong buying opportunity. Sell below level, green line at the bottom, if Nifty breaks this level downward, a bearish trend is confirmed. Simple rule. Buy when price crosses above resistance, sell when price breaks below support. Rocket. Now that you know the levels, here's how you can trade smartly. Before market opens, mark these levels on your chart. Wait for confirmation, don't jump into trades. Observe price action at these levels. Follow the momentum, if price crosses buy above, go long. If price breaks sell below, go short. Risk management is key, always use a stop loss and maintain a proper risk-reward ratio. If Nifty crosses buy above 174.47 and sustains, we can expect a bullish move toward the next resistance. On the other hand, if it breaks sell below 98.71, we could see a big drop. This is how professional traders stay ahead of the market without using a single indicator. Pro tip 1. Don't enter a trade immediately after a breakout, wait for a pullback confirmation. Pro tip 2. If the price consolidates near resistance, expect a breakout. If it consolidates near support, expect a breakdown. Pro tip 3. Avoid trading during the first 5 to 10 minutes after market open, let the price settle. So, there you have it. A 100% accurate pre-market strategy that works for all traders, whether you are a beginner or an expert. No indicators needed, just pure price action and open interest analysis. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with fellow traders. Comment below if you want me to analyze specific stocks using this method. See you in the next video. Happy trading. Party Popper.